Welcome to Ping to String. Today we are going to string Babolat Pure Lite. We are going to string this with a head velocity power with a string tension 51. It's a junior racket, weighted 260 grams. Obviously it's a 16 by 19 string pattern. We are going to string this today with a 51 string tension. In this video we will see how to quickly remove this string, and also you will see how to measure the string, and then we will install the mains and cross with the 51. So to remove it, the simple way is cut the strings in the center of the racket mains, and do it either after mounting it on the machine, or you can just do it with your hands before you mount it as well. Either ways it's the same procedure. So we cut it in the center, and also we will do the cross. We will cut it in the cross. If you do it in the center, it's easy to use the strings, so it will be like free. It's a free flow, and then you just can quickly pull off the strings from each side. It's a quick and simple step. Remove the string. If you cut it anywhere else, then there is a high possibility of damaging the frame. So it's always recommended to, if you are removing the string, cut the string in the center and then remove it, all the pieces. Done. See, within 30 seconds we have removed the string. Now as I mentioned, we are going to use this head velocity power. It's a multi-filament. We are going to string this with the P1. The 17 gauge string. We are going to string this racket. The easiest way to measure the string is based on the length of the racket we need to measure. It's a single packet string, so there is two options to measure it. One, you can measure it based on this length of this racket. So for the mains, you need to have 8.5 times of the racket size, or you just can simply take exactly the half and half of the string and take a little bit extra for the mains, and that's the very easiest way of measuring a string for mains and cross if you are using a single packet. There's a reel that you use it. It's always recommended to go by the size. So here I'm taking exactly half and half. See, multi-filament soft string, so it's better to hold it tight. So I'm taking a little bit of extra. You can see that little bit of extra I'm giving it to mains, little less for cross. Though it's a 16 by 19, 16 mains on the 16 mains and 19 cross, the extra is needed to pull the string, and basically the dimension of the racket, you will have a lot of strings needed when you do the mains and less strings for the cross. So it has a 3 slots in the throat, so I'm starting from the throat. So let's quickly begin. There we go. Start, we need to the tension, again lock in the center of the string so that it won't move. Let's quickly start the mains. 2 string pattern, so I will be doing it in 2 pieces, as you see that one for mains and one for cross, and that's called 2 string pattern. So in this one we will start from one side and then we will go on the other side. I said it's a 16 by 19 string pattern, so you will see 8 strings or 8 mains on each side. So 1 2 3 6 7, and there will be one more. Let's do an ending knot. This one we are doing an ending knot. It's called a Richard Parnell knot. Do on the other side. A softer string, so obviously we have to do it really careful. It slips and you will not get the weight, if not get the right tension on the string if you are holding it tight. A Richard Parnell knot. Let's use the. We're done with the mains, and let's cut the extras. And we're done with the mains on this racket. 51 string tension, and now we will do the cross, the raise for the same racket. Let's begin the cross. Always recommended to have an angle to it so that it's easy to string. So let's start from the head portion of the racket. In this racket we are doing the same tension, 51 on mains and the cross. In case some players wanted to average it, they can do different tension as well. This pattern, the starting knot, there will be a starting knot for the cross. Here we go with the starting knot to the thing, and let's do the starting knot. I'm doing multiple strings at a time, multiple cross at a time, to save time and do it quicker. He is a beginner, do one string at a time. That's recommended. or the maximum of 2. Sometimes if you miss a string to pull, or if there is a string get stuck in between, then to redo it again starting from the scratch. So there is a little bit of riskiness on doing the multiple string. If you're comfortable, then yes, do multiple strings at a time to save time. String. Just need to cross verify everything. So here we have are off the way done. This is the advantage of doing multiple strings at a time. So you can see that 10 crosses which I did, and very quickly I have attention as soon as I have it in place. So in case you want to do it more faster and be like quick in doing the string, then a multiple cross at a time. But again, it depends on your expertise. As you get used to do the string, you can try all that so that it's easy for you to use the racket pretty quick. This is a junior racket, so small space to pull the string when it comes to the edge portion of the racket. So it's a little bit of right. Okay, I managed to get this. Now the last but one dot. So here we just need to be careful because the slots will change. Till this time we were doing the upside, and this is the space it will convert from the upside to the downside of the thing. So need to be extra cautious if you want that to be really neat. Let's pull the string. We have the last of the string, final one, the multi-filament, so it doesn't get a. So let's have a better angle towards string that can easily pop it in the small space. There we go. To push it. That's it. We go with the final ending knot of the racket, and this is where we will be completing our stringing. Let's use the starting clamp to pull the string. Again, ending knot is a Richard Barnell knot. Ending knot is pretty much the same. We cut the extras. Here we have completed the string. 30 minutes. It took 30 minutes to do the end-to-end stringing of this particular racket, the mains and cross, with the head velocity over multi-filament string. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the other video. Subscribe to Pink to String.